Today, you're gonna meet my cat. Isn't he so special? Also, that's a drawing of a tattoo that I'm gonna get. His name is Wilfred. That's not my cat's name though. My cat's name is Emrys. Look at him. He's presenting himself all nice. Hey, over here, buddy. I think he's about like 3 years old. I just know he's old. We didn't get him like as a kitten, so yeah. He's been through a lot. He got kicked in the head by a horse once because he tried being friends with the horse, and horses are racist. Freaking horses. He, yeah. He's a little slow after that. Like, it's funny sometimes how slow he can be. And we're gonna do some tricks with him. Here. Sit. Sit. You can do it. Woo! Good boy. Stay. 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 Watch. Wait for it. Come here, buddy. Come here. Oh, look at you. See? Boom. He's basically a dog.